Is the Womanizer Starlet 3 suitable for beginners, or is it just for more experienced users? Let's explore that today. Yes, the Womanizer Starlet 3 is perfect for beginners. As you can see, it has a very compact size, and because of this and the soft vibrations, it makes it very suitable for beginners. It fits in one hand, which is perfect. And it comes equipped with 6 different settings, starting off with a very soft setting, and you can increase it to a more intense setting as well. So there's something for you, and you can also work up your way through the intensities. This air pressure vibrator is equipped with pleasure motion technology. That means it uses air pressure waves to stimulate the clitoris, giving you wonderful stimulation during use. This air pressure vibrator also features a soft silicone mouth, which is removable and interchangeable as well. This is the best way to clean the soft silicone mouth as well. Once it's cleaned and completely dry, you can simply pop it back on, as demonstrated, and it's ready to go. To turn on, press and hold on the plus button for a few seconds, and it's already on. To increase the settings, use the plus button. And to lower them, use the minus button. Simple, quick and easy to use. To turn off, push and hold down on the minus button for a few seconds, and it's now off. It's also rechargeable. Using your magnetic USB charging cable provided, simply attach the 2 magnetic dots to the dots at the bottom, and it will recharge for you. We highly recommend to use a water-based lubricant in combination with the Womanizer Starlet 3 for the best possible experience. Make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. So yes, we can highly recommend the Womanizer Starlet 3 as the perfect beginner air pressure vibrator for you. Did you find this video helpful? Why not take a look at our other FAQ videos in this collection? Do you have a question for us? We'd like to see it. Drop a comment below with your question and we'll get back to you.